Hey everyone, Eli here with Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this WiMiUS P65 video projector. This thing is amazing. It has Dolby Audio, 4K support, and has a bunch of official apps such as Netflix, YouTube, and Prime Video. Here is the actual projector. Comes with this nice lens cap here. So take that off. Beautiful. On the back here, we got a USB port, an HDMI port, and an infrared signal right here. Looks like for the remote control. You've also got a headphone jack, 3.5 millimeter, as well as a power button. You've also got the power right here underneath. You've got this little ready to fold that will allow you to go ahead and mount this on like a tripod if you like, or a projector stand, and you can easily point it where you want to send the image. So here we are on the setup screen. I have the projector mounted on a tripod. I put two AAA batteries in this remote, and as you can see, super responsive. So here is a look at the main screen. Look how beautiful that is. Super high quality, very responsive, very nice and vivid colors. Let's go ahead and check out a video. Hey everyone, what's going on? It's Eli here from Deep Discounts Club, and today I'm bringing you guys a review of this pickleball set. As we open the box, right after that, we have this thing has officially licensed streaming apps such as Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, and more. It supports 1080p or 4K with autofocus, auto keystone correction, intelligent screen alignment, and obstacle avoidance. It also has dual speakers with Dolby Audio, so you're getting top of the line audio with this thing. It has Wi-Fi 6, two-way Bluetooth 5.2, two HDMI and two USB ports. It supports HDMI, ARC, and CEC. A bit there. Now it is nighttime. You can see the colors are even more vivid. Overall, I highly recommend this projector from WiMiUS. Thanks for watching.